Okay, today what we're going to do is we're going to be adding some numbers together. We're going to be making 10 in order to do that addition. So what I'm going to do here on this first problem is I'm going to build up the 38, build it up to A10. If you remember, the 10s are not only 10, but it's also 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. So I'm going to build 38 up to the closest 10 that there is. The next 10 up would be 40. And I know to do that, I'm going to need 2 more to do that. Another word for 4 is 2 and 2. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to build this up to a 10. The 10 I choose to build it up to is 40. So here's the 10 that it's built up to. It's built up to a 40. I know that 40 plus 2 is 42. Therefore, 38 plus 4 must also be 42. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to build up this 8 to a 10. This is another way we can do it. We can build up the smaller single-digit number. So I know that to get 8 up to the closest 10, which is 10, I need 2 to do it. And I know that if I take 2 away from 44, I'm left with 42. So let's go ahead and watch me make my 10 here in order to add. I add the 8 and the 2 together. I get my 10. I know that 42 plus 10 is 52. Therefore, 44 plus 8 must also be 52. What I just did here was I made 10 in order to add. And I want to remind you that it's not just 10. That is a 10. The 10s are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and you guessed it, 100.